Hello YouTube! I am back. I've missed you guys, and today I'm filming a really fun video. I am going to Mexico next week. So I'm trying to see how many outfits I can make before I go, so fingers crossed. I'll be walking you guys through my process of making some outfits, so it should be fun. I'm putting these headphones on because I'm streaming right now. Karina Maya on Twitch, by the way. And yeah, I'm listening to music with them, so that's why I'll have these headphones on. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to be making is this like asymmetrical top, and the back will be tied with some strings. I don't really know how to explain it, but I have the vision in my head, so it'll all come together. And I want to make these like little booty shorts, but I'll also be making a skirt as an alternative to see which one I like more. Let's get into it. Okay, this is the first fabric that I will be using. It's like a stretchy polyester. Okay, I'm gonna make the shorts first since that's like the easiest thing and I know how to do that quickly. I actually made a pair of these shorts not too long ago, but they weren't short enough for me, so we're gonna try them again.
Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
I don't know, I think I need to use a different pair of shorts. Let me see. These are more my vibe. So I'm just gonna fold them in half, cut out the back, then cut out the front, and then sew the sides together.
And I'll take some time just to get back for that I had days full of you.
Okay, I just did the front, now I'm doing the back.
It winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now. Don't you love when I come around? Somebody fill you up, then I take it down. Don't you love?
Okay, so I put the back and the front together, and now I'm gonna sew the sides.
I brought his ass. Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass.
Okay, so I have my front and my back sewn together. Now I'm going to put this one inside out and put it inside of here. This is what it's gonna look like. And then we sew the inside together. Christian, thank you for the follow. How are you? Yes, I'll put some request on right now. Whatever you want, my princess. Do what I do. Okay, my booty shorts are done.
Baby Elvis, baby Elvis, baby Elvis.
Now onto the top. Can you guys see? I'm like, do I want a little drapey action?
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
I have two different varieties of this shirt, so I want to see which one I end up liking better. Okay, now I need to cut some straps. Hopefully they're long enough. Okay, my straps are finished. Now I'm gonna braid them. This might take a while.
One eternity later.
Okay, so my shirt is done and I've sewn these little like pockets for me to put the string in. So let's put our braided strap in the back. Okay, should I try her on, chat? Should we try her on? Okay, so I am trying the shirt on, but I realized I like it better without this one being attached because then it's like an odd shape. But I like where we're going with this. And hold on. Well, I need to make the strings even, obviously, but this definitely looks a lot better. Once I cut this, then we'll be good. Okay, I think that took me like roughly 2 hours-ish, but I was like stopping in between. But yeah, so my first outfit is done, and now I saw this dress on Twitter the other day, and I want to try to remake it, but I just don't know which fabric I'm gonna use yet, so let's see. Okay, so I have this big roll of brown fabric. Oh, I will get the same effect. Okay, we'll get the same effect even with this fabric. Okay, never mind. Everyone in my Twitch chat is saying that the dress is hideous. So I'm gonna make something else and then maybe I'll come back to the dress and do it later when I'm not on stream. Okay, so I made this little set a couple months ago. I was gonna wear it to this festival, but I didn't end up wearing it. So I'm gonna make a bikini bottom for this top because I only made the shorts with the bathing suit top, but I didn't make a bottom for this top. So let's do that. I'm using this other bikini that I have as a pattern. Okay, so I have this little cutout.
mud, still grinding like I'm trying to get my weight up. When it gave too many chances to you niggas, I can't let nobody play us. Yeah, I got in my bag when I looked up, ain't seen no but a bunch.
My bikini bottom is done. It's not perfect, but you know what? It's gonna work. Now I'm gonna make the strap and we're done. I've cut my straps. Now I'm going to sew them and then we put them in here. All right, my 2 straps are done. We're gonna flip them inside out.
Okay.
Quick cameo from my mom back here.
Hi guys.
I finished my bottom. I got off stream. I ate a sandwich. I feel rejuvenated. I kind of started putting the scraps together of the green fabric from when I made this outfit. And ignore the top, obviously. I think I want to attempt to have like this one strap go around right here on top and tie it like that. I'm gonna try to sew it all and then see how it goes. Okay, I know that this looks crazy, but I'm about to sew the top part in and then we're gonna have a skirt, guys. So if you guys know about that like a 99-cent fabric store in the fashion district in LA, I bought this fabric there, literally $1 a yard, and it's like a nice like beachy striped, the inside it's like almost like kind of like a knit type of fabric. It's really cool. So I want to make some pants, like loose pants, and then I don't know what kind of top I want to make with it yet, so we'll see. If you have made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much, because I know that this is a different type of video. I haven't filmed my sewing content before, but I hope you guys like it. Anyways, I'm here because I actually never filmed an outro, so I ended up making all those outfits and taking them to Mexico. And I'm currently working on my Mexico vlog that I'll also be posting at the end of this week. This video was really fun to film because I am so passionate about just making clothes, and it's a really fun hobby for me and something I enjoy doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, because I'd love to make more of these types of videos. Yeah, we can do fun things like you guys tell me which fabric to use or different things I should try to make. If you want to see me wear all of these outfits that I made in Mexico, make sure you guys watch my next video when I post it. And I love you all for being here and watching me and supporting me, and yeah, it means so much. So thank you again. Next time you see me, I'll be in Mexico.